Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood advisory for north central Adams County in South. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, southwestern Athens County in southeastern Ohio, east central Vinton County in southeastern Ohio, until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Albany, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albany, the National